Hear me chatter. It's a sunny spring day, Miko. Pocahontas says, I must find a perfect spot for these seeds. Miko knows a perfect spot. When Pocahontas leaves the bag of seeds on a rock, Miko decides to help her. Percy and Flit wonder what their friend is up to. Flit follows Miko to the perfect hiding place. He watches as Miko sets the seeds among Grandmother Willow's branches. Then Miko races back to see if Pocahontas has more seeds to put in a perfect spot. Flit follows his friend back. Where are those seeds I wanted to plant? Pocahontas asked Percy. And Flit, Miko is surprised. He thought Pocahontas wanted to hide the seeds, not plant them. He hurries back to his perfect hiding place. Here they are, says Pocahontas when Miko hands her the bag, and I have the perfect spot for them. Pocahontas drops the seeds into holes that Flit and Percy have helped dig. Miko happily pats down the earth on top of them. No one will ever find them now.